Hey, welcome back. Guess what we're doing today? Today, I'm happy to say we're installing a winch. I am very excited. I've been waiting for the winch for quite a few weeks, and so the guys at Calabar Creations out of Prescott, Arizona. Hello, Arizona. Have sent me a little package. Hopefully, I can't wait, but hopefully it's easy to install. It's a new system, so it's their new generation. Shout out to all you guys. Thank you for doing this. Sending my new kit for the winch. So should we open it up? Great. So basically, we get a couple of parts, and they go in here, they go in between. I'm gonna put the camera so you guys can look. All right, so I like the idea that I don't have to do a whole lot of work. I just have to put this in there, put a couple of bolts, 8 bolts, and I'm ready to go. I can't wait. So take a look. Man, it's light as nut. Can you see that? It's not that difficult to put in here. So now that I have that, it looks like it's not putting a whole lot of pressure to any of the cables. I see one cable might have a little chafing, so I'm just gonna put a little electrical tape over the what it looks like brake line. That's probably a good idea. So I'll do that now before I continue on. So I got a little bit of electrical tape. It's just to insulate the area that I think is going to have problems. The reason why I think it's going to have problems, it's not necessarily it will, but as a overly cautious recommendation to myself, since the Urals tend to sneeze problems. Anyway, so come take a look. Check it out. So now that I put a little bit of tape on it, and the reason to put the tape on it again is so I can measure whether or not it's been chafing. Anyway, it should be pretty good now. So I'm gonna go back to putting the bar like it was before. And this is what the final product looks like. So the bar is going through with the little opening here so they can work on the right cylinder. Great idea, Mark. And it grabs a hold of the sidecar bar, right? And it works its way to the bar, all the way to the back. And as a potentially good idea, I always will carry the winch in the back instead of carry it in the front. And then if I need it, I move it. Obviously, I don't know where I'm gonna need the winch, but likely it's gonna be used from the front. But while I'm driving, I will put it in the back. Okay, so that's it for the Calabria creation. Thanks, Mark, for sending it. I really like this new model. I think it's fantastic. The construction, it's awesome. Thank you for the hat. Thank you for the t-shirt. The main bar is great. The extension bar is great. The flat winch is great. I can't wait to connect the winch. The grade 8 bolts are fantastic. I don't know. There's so many good things to say about this. It's probably not enough time on a video to make it. I'm on. I think you sent me 807, if that is the number for this particular tube. And the next thing is to connect the winch to the electrical. And that's gonna be the real challenge, because this was way too easy. Thanks again, Mark, and a shout out to you and to your company. Great job. Thanks for being on the phone. I appreciate it. Until next time. Ciao.